Hi, welcome to Diamond Custom Paint Shop. In this video, I'm going to do a quick review on Limeline's little minigun. Now, I've had this for a little while and I've got to use it quite a bit, and it's a pretty awesome little spray gun. I really like it a lot, so I thought I'd do a quick review on it so everybody can kind of see, how awesome it is. I'll kind of take this apart. I have a helmet project here I'm doing. We're going to spray some gray out of it onto the helmet. So you can see how it sprays. And and so first let's talk price on this guy. So this is like I said, it sprays really good. So it's a really good price point for a gun of this quality. You'll see when I spray. So the price on this, I think right now is $99 on limelinepaintsupply.com. And if you click on the link in my description, you get 10% off of that. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, go ahead and pick yourself up one. But you can decide after you watch this little review, but I think you'll want to get one. So anyways, what comes in the kit, if I remember right, I don't have the box here anymore. Like I said, I had this for quite a while. So I do know you get this green little inline filter here that I used on my air hose here for all my spray guns. It does come with a tool to take the head off, but I don't know where I have this one. I've always had, so I just kind of use this one that I've got with another gun. But it does come with that, and it does come with the air attachment here at the bottom. If you see me look over that way, because I got a little monitor over there so I can see what I'm showing you. Make sure I'm showing you good. So anyways. So yeah, it comes with this little attachment here. I think that's about it. If there's anything else, I'll kind of put it in the comments there or something, but that's all you really need to know. But okay, so once you get done spraying, to take this thing apart to clean it is really easy. Just kind of unscrew this front piece here, then you clean that out. To take your nozzle, just like any spray gun, unscrew this back here, pull the spring out, pull your needle out, clean that up. And then if you need to do a really clean, you can, get your tool, come in here and take this off. And it also has a little plastic piece that comes out in there too. When you first get this, kind of look at it to see how there's a little pin that drops in there. See how that lines up. The first time I did it, it took me a minute because there's a couple of holes in there to figure out which hole it goes into, but I kind of know now. But that's one thing. When you first take that black piece out, kind of look where that pin is. It's on this side here, and that goes on that side. So that's it. Then you can spray this out, cleans out really fast and easy, and that's it. And then to put it back together, I'll give you another tip here that I found. When you screw this on and you get your tool on here, you want to make sure you crank this, fairly tight on there. Because I didn't one time. I was having some spraying issues, and the reason it was because I didn't have that. I kind of tightened it like I normally do on my other guns, kind of, just snug, and it wasn't tight enough. So I, put a little. It's got that nylon on there, so just make sure you just give that a good crank down and it's seated on there really good. Then you're just going to put your cap back on here. And you come over here and you'll insert your needle, the spring, and screw that back on there. And so what I'll do is I'll pull my trigger back and I'll screw this in until I feel the pressure right there on the trigger, and that's full open. That's how I always run this gun, in full open. And then also my air down here. This is for your air, as you can see. And I'll run that at full open too, which is all the way out, down, like you're loosening it. It comes all the way out. And then this nozzle right here is your spray pattern, which, as you turn it in, it's going to narrow your pattern. Turn it out, it's going to widen it. I widen it all the way out, and that's just kind of how I run my guns. And So the tip on this, it's a 0.8 tip on here. So it's kind of, it's a small tip, it's a minigun. So kind of another tidbit is when you are spraying, we're going to spray this through there, make sure, like when you mix your base coats, usually you mix it 50-50. When I spray it out of this, I usually just add a little touch more reducer in there to kind of thin it out a little more, help it spray out a little better. But it does spray out fine, just 50-50. I just like it to spray out a little nicer for me. So yeah, that's that. So like I said, we are going to be, I have some gray mixed up here, and I have my disposable paint cup system. And you can get these from Limeline too. This is the smaller size, which is awesome for this little minigun. I really like it a lot, this whole setup here. So yeah, and here's some just black base coat, which I'll be using this gun to spray black on after the gray, because I'm going to put a honeycomb stencil on there and then spray the black after. So, but in this video, we're just going to spray the gray. And maybe I'll include the other one too, and then pull the stencil in this video so you can kind of see the whole thing. And then in the end, I'll show you how clean it real quick and show you how fast it is, and that'll wrap it up. So we're going to get set up to paint this helmet, and we'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean this Limeline minigun 0.8 tip. Okay, we just got done spraying. First thing I always do is turn it upside down and pull the trigger in. That will get all the fluid out, down back into your cup. That's kind of sitting in there. Okay, and we'll pull it off the cup. There we go. Okay, and then first thing I'm going to utilize is Limeline Spray Gun Paint Remover. This stuff is awesome. This will be your best friend. Pick you up some on LimelinePaintSupply.com. And yeah, I'll show you how easy it is to do this. So it has this, rubber kind of nozzle tip here that fits right inside the top of your quick adapter. And so you'll pull your trigger on your spray gun right here like this, and you'll just blast this through. You can see it cleans that right out. Then I usually spray that front tip off. Then I'll grab the tip, kind of pull this off, and I'll spray this out. There we go, that's clean. Set it off to the side. Pull my needle tip out. And that's usually not very dirty. I'll just grab this rag in here and wipe that off. We'll grab our tool, undo the tip. We'll set this to the side. Take this, blast this out. There we go, that's clean. Pop the plastic piece out. There's the one I told you. See, it has a little pin on the one end of it. See if I can get it. There you go. And then that's going to go, you're looking at it on that side right there. So that's how that goes back together. So then anyways, then we'll take the spray gun paint remover. We're just going to blast in there a little bit. Then blast down here one more time. Spray your gun off. And that's it. It's all cleaned up. And then you just reverse the process to put it back together. Take this, make sure that it's on that right side as it's facing up. You got to get it to go in. It's got to go in flat. There we go. Yeah, you just got to make sure you hold that as flat as you can as that pin's going down in. We're going to replace our nozzle here. Now remember, like I said, you want to make sure you tighten this down really good. Just really snug, not over tighten, but really snug. So there you go. Place our cap. Put our needle in, our spring. Remember, pull the trigger, screw this in until you feel pressure. There you go, wide open. And there you go, it's easy as that. And it's all clean, ready to go for the next color or wherever you're going to spray in it. Okay, we'll be right back, and I'll just do a little quick recap and we'll be done. Okay, well, there you go. There's Limeline's minigun, 0.8 tip. As you can see, it's sprayed on really nice. Like I said, when I mixed my paint, I did it 50-50, and then just another little squirt out of my bottle of reducer in there just to thin it out a little bit more. As you can see on the helmet, when we sprayed it, I just did 2 coats and it covered it. And it sprays it out really nice finish on there. So it's really nice to get these for your smaller jobs. If you do a lot of helmets, skateboards, even motorcycle tanks, I'll pull this out once in a while. If I have small area graphics taped out, I'll go ahead and grab this guy and use it. It's really, really handy. So yeah. So like I said, we sprayed the gray on there. I'm not going to do the honeycomb with the black on there in this video. If you want to see that video, stay tuned to my channel and subscribe, because that video will be coming out real shortly. Check that out. So you can see me. I'm going to use this gun again. We're going to lay down honeycomb stencil and then spray black over, and then with this minigun. So stay tuned for that on my channel. Check that out, and I guess I'll see you on the next one.